I just got up. I've been awake since like 6:30 because you know how the time changed today. But I just got up right now. My husband got up earlier to make some coffee. And I had to go make it because since he got up to make it, since he got up to prepare it, I have to make it. Oh, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have a big mess in my refrigerator. If I show you, I will be embarrassed for the rest of my life. But I'm gonna show you my dirty ass refrigerator. Look at my refrigerator. I need to clean it. But I have so much to do all the time. And then when I start cleaning it, they're like, well, let's go here. We gotta go get this. We gotta go get that. I'm like, what do you mean? Oh my God. Oh my God. So I'm gonna make my coffee. I already showed you how I make my coffee. I think it was yesterday that I showed you how to make it. Deja prender la luz. Let's see. What cup do I want to use? What cup do I want to use? I'm gonna use this one. It says Unleash Your Inner Sparkle. Mira, ¿quieres verla? That's the one I'm gonna use today. Oh yeah. Well, I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna make my coffee. I'm gonna make breakfast. Making breakfast. Pancakes. It's 10:16, and I'm making this for myself. It's an egg, banana, oatmeal, and a little bit of vanilla extract. That's the healthy pancakes for myself. Bacon is cooking. My oatmeal pancakes. In the process, it's like 12:30, and I haven't done shit. Sorry. I know. Oh my God, it feels so good. What's he gonna do?
He's gonna go
take it for a spin.
Yeah. What's he doing? He's gonna go take it for a spin.
I hope he knows how to come back home.
Yeah, I'm gonna get sick.
I gotta wait for Miguel. Hopefully he'll make it back home. Oh my God, it's raining too much. They said that it was gonna be a thunderstorm coming through. Oh, did I show you my new carpet? My new carpet. Not you, Bea. You can't go outside. It's you, Zoe. I haven't done anything. You're gonna go outside? You wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? I'm gonna call Dad. Really, Zoe? So I was embarrassed of my refrigerator because it's a lot of junk. So I'm cleaning it out. And there's some leftovers from last week, and I'm throwing them out because I only leave them there for like 3 days, 4 days at the most, because if not, I know that if I leave them more, no one's gonna eat them, so might as well throw them away. But usually the kids are always just stuffing stuff in there. I'm probably not gonna clean that out. I'm too lazy. I'm not even gonna clean this out either. Might wipe it. But let's see how it turns out. I took mostly everything out. Except this. Well, I took that thing out to wash it. And then I'm gonna take all of this out because I have a lot of stuff. Oh damn. to take all of this out. Well, it's the back of it, because I have another wall that's over here as well. What the heck is this? This really? Who saves this? Come on, people. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Anyways, this is my stuff out here. Oh, I'm making beans. Homemade beans. And then all that stuff. All the dishes. Let me show you the beans. There. I just put them in. I am finally done. I threw away that was like 3 days old of leftovers. I organized a little bit for my vegetables, my fruits, and then that. We don't drink those. There were some friends of ours that left them here. And then this as well. And then my kitchen is clean. I did this like in I think I took like what, about 45 minutes, but I didn't do it all by myself. Let's see this, the beans. The beans. It's only a long time. I didn't do it by myself. My kids helped me. They always help me. Matthew did the dishes, and I did this. And the deep freezer, the freezer, it's a different story. I'm not even doing that, because then I would have to clean the other freezer I have in the garage, and I'm not doing it today. My girls are in here because it's raining. What, Bea? Look how horrible it is out there. Oh my god.
You gotta look at it.
I love it when it rains, but it's kind of, the thunderstorms kind of scare me though, a little bit. I'm such a scary kid. Now I gotta go to the shower because it's already 1:20. I haven't done nothing but clean my refrigerator and my house. Well, I haven't even cleaned my house. Just the kitchen. Madeline and Matthew helped me in the kitchen, and that's it. But somebody left the fan on. Michael was in the living room. What mess did he make? Oh, did I show you the pillows I bought yesterday? I bought that pillow, and I bought that pillow when I went to go get the rug.